So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from files by Google Save folder. So first in your device, head over and launch the Files app. Then next, look for the three-line icon found at the top left corner of your screen and click on it. Next is click on Settings. Then next is scroll down and make sure that you toggle Show Hidden Files Settings on. Then next is click on Save Folder. And from here, you might be asked to unlock your Save folder. So just enter in your lock pin or passcode. And from there, you should be able to see all your files inside the Save folder. Another way is head back to your home page. Then next is scroll down to All Storage section, then click on Other Storage folder. And through here, you can also access all your other files. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!